Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide Official and I am Muhammad Irfanullah. So today we discuss about how you find Chinese professors for acceptance letter, means how to find professors for acceptance letter for China scholarship. So let's start. So I will give you overview in this video, and after this we will go to the computer screen and I will tell you complete process how you find professors of every department for China scholarship. So first, two to three things keep in mind. So let's start. The first thing is that how many professors you should send email to Chinese professors for acceptance letters. So there is no limit, but I will give you some suggestions that you must send 5 to 10 professors. You send emails to 5 to 10 professors of each university. And not send to, if means if in one university in your department 40 professors are available. So you don't send emails to these 40 professors at a time. You should send 5 to 10 professors in a day, and after wait for 2 or 3 days, and after 2 or 3 days, if no professor give you response, then send emails to other professors after 2 or 3 days. You can send 5 to 10 professors in every university, means 279 universities under CSC scholarships, and you want to send email to every university in your department, if your department is available in the university, for 5 to 10 professors in each university. So you can do it. So at the same time, at once, you don't send emails to professors more than 5 to 10. Okay, these things. So now, what is the time, what is the accurate and what is the valuable time for sending emails? So I will give you some suggestions that you should send email to Chinese professor late night. Means if you send a late emails at late night, then maybe your chances of getting acceptance letter is more, because when the professors open his Gmail or mailbox, maybe your email is on the top, and professor open your mail and see your profile CV, so maybe he gave acceptance letter to you. So that's the things you must keep on mind. So no, in this we also update 5 to 6 universities professors emails on our website. So further we are working on that. So as we one by one we will work on that. So this is the overview, and the more things, if in my mind nothing no, and the other question is in thinking, so I coming. So if I have any other questions, so we will discuss in this video on computer screen. So now we are going to the computer screen, so that how you find professors for acceptance letter. So we will meet you in the computer screen. So go to the computer screen. So guys, we are on computer screen. So let's start how you find professors. So first you type CSC Guide Official in Google and click on the first link. So must type CSC Guide Official in Google and then open. So click on the first link. So we open this link, and in the next page, so when we open the cscguideofficial.com, you can get everything which you want. So this is our website, CSC Guide Official. You can get everything about China scholarship, applying procedure, and document sample, Chinese professors email. So now, so we focus today on Chinese professors emails. We find 4 universities. So one by one we find another, and all 279 universities we find emails, but for professors emails. So don't worry about this. So first we open Hanoi Agriculture University professors emails. So click on this link. So click on this link and Hanoi Agriculture University, and you can get the professors email of all the departments. So this is basically for agriculture university. So this is if it not means that if a university is agriculture university and they offer all scholarship to agriculture students. No, it's not necessary. So and other departments like engineering department, life sciences, and these kind of things, you can get all professors emails here. So don't worry about this. So this is the email. So I'll also tell you other way of finding professors. So method, other way of how you find professors. So don't worry about this. So in our websites we find one by one all the professors email. So now the second one is Beijing Forestry University. Click on Beijing Forestry University and you can get the professors, the department list of all these university, forestry college and water and soil conservation professors emails, and college of biological sciences and technology professors emails, all these one by one. So about your the department which you have. So some of department don't don't show their emails. So professor don't show email on website. So that's why we click here for the official website. So okay, don't worry, this is the one. And the third one is that, so this means that how we find professors and upload it on our website. So click on Central South University. So no, we a little bit change in our website. We think that we must put link of the professor's email and students get their desired faculty. Means you can find your faculty here. Means if you are from civil engineering department, click here and get the professor's email. And if you are from automation faculty, if you want to get automation faculty list, so click here, and food energy sciences and engineering and these kind of things. So we open the faculty list of civil engineering. So we click here on civil engineering faculty list, and when we click here, you can go to the direct link to the professor. These are the professors. This is the faculty link of the Central South University. So these are the professors. So send emails 5 to 10 professors in a day, and if you not get response after 1 or 2 days, then send emails to another 10 professors. So this is the proper method for sending emails. So I also tell you when you send emails in my last video, in this video I think, in start. So these are the professors. Click on so we find one by one, okay, with three or four professors, and you can get. I also tell you how you find manually. If you want to find manually by hand professor's faculty email, you can also find, but this professor is to take too much time. So we try to save your time. So that's why we put faculty link here. So this is the professors and this is the email. These are the two emails. If you want to send both of email to both these, so you can, otherwise you can send it to one, and this is the other one. And you can find the email in this in their professional or home page. So this one is the email of this professor and other things. So this one is the other professor's email. Okay, you can, when you open the profile of the professor, then you find the contact information like email. Okay, so don't worry about this. So this one is for civil engineering, means this is for civil engineering department professor. So if you want to find another professor like other departments, so we try to open other professors. Okay, other faculty. If we open faculty of School of Life Sciences, so we click here for life sciences. Okay, some of the major like mathematics and these kind of departments are open, okay, in life sciences department. So these are the professors' faculty list for life sciences. Okay, you can open one by one and try to find email in his profile, so you can get everything which you want. Okay, now this one is, I think everything should be clear. This is the email of the professor, so you can find one by one. Okay, now we go back and we try to open the faculty lists of Southeast University. So one by one, and so don't worry about this. With the passage of time, when admissions are started, before admission starting, or when we finish our course, then we make a video on every university for finding every university professor's faculty email. If you don't find that, or type your name in the comment box that this university you want to get faculty links, or if you want to get the faculty link in English, then must type university name, and with the university name you must type that please make video in English for this faculty. So we will make English video in English, so don't worry about this. So these are the faculty links. Okay, you find your department, means if you are from architecture department, then click here. If you are from mechanical engineering department, then click here and get the faculty link directly. Okay, so we open faculty link of civil engineering. So we will try to find faculty link of civil engineering. When you click on faculty link of civil engineering, so you can get faculty link of civil engineering department. So these are the professors. Open these professors and try to send email and try to get acceptance letter. Okay, so we click again. Okay, click. You can find some professor don't show their email, not show their email on website, because many of the students send email for acceptance letter, so they irritate, so they don't get any, they don't show any email. So this is the PDF file. Download this PDF file and you can get the email of the professors here. So the main thing for getting acceptance for sending emails, you must keep in mind that research direction. So we'll make another category for research direction, because research direction is major factor for getting acceptance letter. If your research direction is matching with the professor, then you will get acceptance letter easily. So that's the professor, that's the main key factor: research direction, micro and nano mechanics, and these kind of things you can see. Okay, now you click on the link and go to the faculty link. This is if you means you click on the civil engineering faculty link and click here and get the faculty link. Now we find manually. How much time it take when you find manually? So we try to find Southeast University professor. Okay, Southeast faculty link. Okay, so I will give you the example. So if you want to find faculty link manually, so click type in South University in Google and click on the first link. When you click on first link, you can reach in the official website. In the official website you find school and colleges, department, institutional settings, faculty, teacher profile, teacher style, and these kind of things you must find in official website if you want to find by self. So if you think that in our website data is not given properly, so you can find. So we try our best from our side that we give authentic data. So click on school and colleges, school and departments, and these kind of things, these kind of headings you find in official website. So these are school and colleges of Southeast University. Okay, click on. So you can see all these things we are giving now in our website. But the problem is that this is link in English. So we try to open civil engineering faculty list. Okay, when you find civil engineering faculty list, then you can get some, you face some problems. So these are the supervisor list. Okay, these supervisor list, master supervisor. We click on master supervisor for School of Civil Engineering for Southeast University. Okay, when you click on master supervisor, you can see none of the professor you can open. You cannot open these profiles because this link in English. So if you want to find department, if you want to find faculty manually, then you feel some problem here, you cannot find. So in other way, in our website, if you click on civil engineering and click on civil engineering department, you can get the faculty link, and you can click on the website, you can click on the professors list as well. So you can click on the professor name and get the professor's email. So in the other way, you cannot open this professor profile because some of the because of reasons, so you cannot find. So if you want to find, you can click on this one, and this link is open. So we work hard about on it, and we find one by one department link and paste in our website cscguideofficial.com. So this is very helpful for you, for everyone, if you want to if everyone want to get emails of professors, faculty. So this take too much time. So this is the thing, and you can get faculty here. So these are the basic things. So I think everyone can understand how you find faculty. But if you're still confusing that how you find faculty, then type your reason and type your confusion in comment box, and we will give you the answer. And must type that please give my answer in English in comment box. So because we mostly make videos in Urdu or Hindi, so that's why you must type your problem in English and mention, and with your comment you must mention that please make video for me, or me please tell my question in English. So we will try to make in English. So hope so you can understand about it. So if anyone have any question about faculty link, so you can get about that. Okay, now CSC Guide Official, in cscguideofficial.com you can get everything which you want, like CSC scholarship application procedure, departments, required departments. So now everyone knows that how you send email, how you find professor. Now the next step is that how you prepare documents. In the next video, we in next videos 5 to 6 videos about on documents, because on one by one we will tell you how you prepare your documents, means how you prepare recommendation letter. One video is for how you find how you make recommendation letter, one video for how you prepare English proficiency certificate, and one video for how you prepare study plan. And constantly we will make videos on about documents. So these are the universities, and this is the basic steps for finding professor. If you still have any confusion, so you can about professor finding, you must watch our previous videos we make in last year. So you can watch those videos if you still have any question about if you have still any problem about finding professors. So hope so everyone clear how you find professor. Good luck and take care of you. We will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.